so number 5 is asking us to combine this into one logarithm. In order to do this one, I'm just going to start by reminding you of an example that we did back in lesson 72. Looks like this, log of 60. Okay, so based on this, we can break this into the log of 6 and the log of 10 because of the rules for logarithms. That's the product property of logarithms, okay? 60, you can break that down because this is a base 10, this is base 10, and this is base 10. You can break this into 6 and 10, okay? So in other words, the bases, if the bases are all the same, you can break it down into its factors with a plus sign in between because this represents that the exponents are being added together because the bases were being multiplied. So see how 6 times 10 was being multiplied to get 60, which is why we add the exponents, okay? So if that's true, there's some information that will help us with solving number 5 and 6. Now, understand or remember that this is an exponent, right? Okay, so this is it because this is an exponent being multiplied. Essentially, that means just like if you have an exponent being multiplied, okay, so that means it's an exponent raised to a power. That's what's happening when there's 2 times 3, you get 6, exponent raised to a power. So here's your exponent being raised to a power. So if we were to write this in a one logarithm form, this would be x to the 6th, right? So we have natural log of x to the 6th, and then plus we have natural log of y to the 4th, okay? So now all we have to do to finish this out is to multiply these back together, kind of like we did here with the 6 and the 10, except that instead of, like here, we broke the 60 up into a 6 and a 10. Here, these are already broken up. We're going to put them back together here. So we have x to the 6th and y to the 4th, okay? So that should be your final answer for number 5. Let's come over here to number 6 and see what we have here. Well, natural log of 40. This is going to be basically to the second power, okay? So because all of this is our exponent raised to the power, right? Okay? And so that means the 40, the 1/2 to the second power, and the x are all going to be multiplied. So we have natural log of 40 times 1/2 to the second power times x, and then we can simplify all of this. 1/2 to the second power is equal to 1/4, and 1/4 times 40 is equal to 10. So we have the natural log of 10x. All right, hopefully you'll get more confident with those as you do more of them.